What's up, everyone? I'm here at the Yulia Guesthouse 1 in Sonor, and it is quite beautiful. This is what you get. So this is the room. It's quite small. You have a bed, big fridge, outside area just where you can dry clothes. Nothing fancy. The front is quite nice. It's a beautiful garden-esque area. A lot of birds. I'll show you the wild birds that they have here, which is pretty cool. Pool right there. Little chill area. Over here, we have the bathroom. So I got a nice tub going with some green tea inside of it. Very spacious. Shower. Toilet. Vent fan, essentially. And yeah. This place is really cool because it has a bunch of animals. It's right across from the beach, and Sonor Beach is very private, very quiet. How do I say? It's a much older community, if you will. So it seems like retiree central. But let me show you the breakfast that you get, and the birds, and the ambiance of the place. Let's go. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe. Hey man. Camera.
This is Travelling Medicine, a space where we share life as it's actually lived. The travel, the food, the people, the laughter, and the quieter moments in between. So take a breath, settle in, and travel with us.
The one thing I truly enjoyed about this place is the birds, the nature, and the confinement of the garden, how it's all set up, how it flows, the feng shui, if you will. And it's so quiet. And this place is fully booked at the moment, but it's extremely quiet. So there's not a lot of kids. There's not a lot of distractions here. It's very calm. It's quite perfect. Most importantly, check out the breakfast. And here's the breakfast. Beautiful toast, fruit, toast. Best bananas I've had in my life. And she ordered some eggs because, of course, I got my hard-boiled eggs right here. Morning kratom mixed with some coffee. It's gonna be a good day.
Hello, how are you? My name is Lynn.
Alright, Lynn. Just a moment, let me check first.
Thank you.
For your treatment today, for the therapeutic massage,
Yes.
105 minutes for
Yes.
1%.
Thank you. It's a very peaceful place, very tranquil.
If you have any concern or avoid area, please write it.
Okay, I'll fill that in.
Oh yeah, we have inside. Thank you. This is finished? Yeah.
They are a little train. Look at all the things, very technical words there.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm having a little bit more of an upper market massage here in Sonor at the Nest Beachside Spa. Looking forward to it. Very good glass of water.
You can smell the aroma and choose which one would you like. Sandalwood. So flower big, flower back, here also. Put our vibes at that day. So today your treatment will be therapeutic 105 minutes, and this is really strong massage we do on your body meridian on your specific area. Are you okay with that?
That's perfect.
And
Thank
this is the
you.
choice of oil for massage.
Ooh.
I will swipe on your wrist.
On my wrist? Yep.
This is sandalwood,
Sandalwood, or patchouli,
second one lavender.
lavender, and lang lang. Oh, I think the ginger.
The ginger for you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Please wait a moment.
Ooh, ginger, eucalyptus, and that right now. I feel like I'm gonna have like this this deep connection with my muscles and my body, and the oil that I chose, and the music that's here. I'm getting ready. Thank you. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm here with Lynn. She just got a massage from the Nest, and curious to know what it was like.
So I got a therapeutic massage, which is like focusing on a couple of areas of your body. Now, if you've ever had a Thai massage before, it's just like a Thai massage. So if you love the pain of getting all of your muscles zoned in on and completely annihilated by therapists, then this is the massage for you. So it was painful, but it was also good. There were a couple of moments in there where I fully regretted it. And then at the end it was like, okay, I can manage this. So if you want to come here and feel like therapeutic intervention, but you don't want the pain, I would suggest doing a deep tissue massage. If you want a therapeutic massage and you love Thai massages, this is the massage for you. But yeah, it was not relaxing, but therapeutic on some levels.
Do you feel like you had a bunch of releases?
Yeah, like my body feels looser, which is nice. But it depends on what you anticipate when you go in there. I kind of thought it was going to be like a lot more relaxing because it was sort of called therapeutic massage, but it should have been called Thai massage, to be honest. Yeah. So if you ever have one of those rubber roller balls, you know, that you're rubbing all over your body and you're like leaning on it just to get all those knots out, that's it, all over your body. So she's putting elbows in, she's putting fingers in, and she's like isolating all those little knots that you've got in there, and she's just like going for it. So yeah. There was a lot of pain going on. I almost cried.
You almost threw up?
I almost cried. There was a point in where I was just getting a little bit angry, to be honest.
So it was releasing like some demons in there?
It was like, fuck off me, please. Yeah, but she did start by saying, do you want it hard? And I'm the sort of person that goes, oh yeah, to everything. And so I had to wait until like 3/4 of the way through before I was like, I just can't take this any longer. And so the rest of the massage was like medium. So if you don't mind a Thai massage, do it medium first and then go harder if you want it. And that's it. That's all I think I have to say.
Shamanic Essentials Unleashed, the Ultimate Shamanic Cultivation, Healing, and Protection Handbook by psychologist Yi Lin and shaman Gabriel. Within these pages, you will learn to cultivate your spiritual power, protect your energetic body, and heal the unseen layers of your being.
Through daily practices, sacred rituals, and timeless teachings, this book becomes both a shield and a compass for those walking the spiritual path. In the rhythm of Earth's gentle pulse, I stand rooted. Great Mother, embrace me into your dance. Through silent whispers and ancient songs, I feel the heartbeat in the sacred thrum. The life beneath, guide my steps, harmonize my spirit as I merge with your ageless cadence. Mountains, valleys, rivers, and seas, echo your timeless beat within me. Teach me, Earth, to honor every pulse, to dance, to love, to dream, and to be. In every heartbeat, I find connection, embracing the love and strength you grant freely. The grace that you provide, I shall cherish and keep. Grant me your wisdom as I walk this path. Aho. Shamanic Essentials Unleashed, the ultimate shamanic cultivation, healing, and protection handbook. Now available on Amazon. Hello everyone, it's Shaman Gabriel. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also check out this video right here that YouTube thinks you will really enjoy. Thank you for tuning in.